This is REALME 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the VPN connection on this device. In order to meet the goal, that is the aforementioned goal, I will need, not actually need, but I prefer to use the free third-party app that is called Turbo VPN, so I suggest and advise that you use it also. So obviously the first step is to download this app from the Play Store. So open up the Play Store on your smartphone, type in the Turbo VPN query, then download this particular app. Then open it. In here, tap on the green continue button, grant all the permissions that it asks for, if you want to, of course. We'll close the ad. Once you're ready to connect your device to VPN, tap on the caret icon, wait until this little cute rabbit to connect you to VPN, grant it this permission, it is necessary obviously. Then, while connected, as you can see, first of all, you can see that the VPN connection was established by looking at this icon at the status bar, but also while at it, you can change the server that it's connected to. Currently, it has been connected to some German servers, so I'll reconnect it to Singapore, for example. Once you're ready to terminate the internet connection, tap on the cross sign, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.